Today we are going to solve a not-so-popular problem, but often found in TikTok assignments. You're given a computer that can run an unlimited number of tasks simultaneously. You're also given a two-dimensional array, tasks, where each task is represented by start, end, duration. This means the ith task needs to run for a total of duration seconds within the time range start and end. Note that the task doesn't need to run continuously. Our goal is to determine the minimum amount of time the computer needs to be turned on to complete all the tasks. Let's see an example. Here, task 1 must be completed between 2 and 3 inclusive, and take 1 second to complete, and similarly task 2 and 3. Now, let's visualize the timeline from 1 to 5, and these are the tasks given. Task 1 can be executed during the second time unit. Task 2 can run during the fifth time unit. Task 3 can run during both the second and fifth time units, since the computer is already running during those time frames. The computer will be on for a total of 2 seconds, hence the answer is 2. If you think about it, a task with an earlier end time has fewer opportunities to be scheduled compared to a task with a later end time. Therefore, sorting tasks by their end times ensures we handle the most time-constrained tasks first, leaving more scheduling flexibility for tasks with later deadlines. So first, we'll sort the tasks by their end time. Now, how should we arrange the runtime so that it overlaps with other tasks that end later? Pause the video, think about it for a minute, and type your thoughts in the comment section. I'd love to see how many of you get the correct idea. The answer lies in scheduling tasks as close to their end time as possible. This maximizes the chances of overlapping with the next task. For each subsequent task, we'll first identify the time frames where the computer is already running. Then, we'll schedule the remaining time in any empty slots working backwards. Before we proceed, if you've learned something new or found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Alright, let's write some code. As discussed, we start by sorting the tasks by their end times. In Python, this can be easily done using a lambda function. Next, we create an array to keep track of the time frames when the computer is running. The array length is set to 2001 since the time range is 1 to 2000. We iterate through each task, calculating the remaining time needed for the task by subtracting the already scheduled time within the task's time frame from its total duration. If remaining is still greater than 0, we loop backwards from the task's end time to its start time. When we find an available slot, we mark it as running and reduce the remaining time. If the remaining time reaches 0, we move on to the next task. Finally, we return the total number of time slots where the computer was running. And that's how you solve this problem. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more problem-solving videos.